that's the thing. And we gon' go another day when we don't disagree. And when the sun's shining, regardless if you do believe. Hey, still awake in the morning when I see your face. Need you more when you go, I need you more every day. Keep a foot on the brake in case I lose all control. Yeah, so baby, don't lose control. I'm focused on you, baby. Lately you've been in my aim. I've been reaching out for you, and still they're so far away. Looking through the smoke in the mirror. Crazy how I see you so clear. Crazy how I see you so clear. And how you make me smile. And how you make me smile. Oh yeah. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone. Oh no. Smile more when you come back. Smile more when I see you. Smile more when the sun shines bright. Believe me, I need you. Smile more when you blow me up. Smile more when I see your face. Smile more when I feel love. Smile less when I need to let go.
It's like strawberries on a summer evening, and it sounds just like a song. I want more berries and that summer feeling. It's so wonderful and warm. Breathe me in, breathe me out. I don't know if I could ever go without. I'm just thinking out loud.
What's up? What awakens on the camping excursion of 2020? Do you have any words to add? Not even with the camera in your face? Dude. I'm trying to figure out how I want to make this video look. I do like that though, that does look good. Looks like it's just supposed to be here. Did you get mad at your school?
Yes, I did.
I used to get mad at my school. I'm eating this piece, Chris. You took too long.
Some of that.
I already have my Coca-Cola right here.
Enter the community. We just have a community jug. That's nasty.
Have to admit, it's getting bad.
I don't know if I could ever go without watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar. Strawberries on a summer evening. Baby, you're the end of June. I want your belly and that summer feeling, getting washed away in you. Breathe me in, breathe me out. I don't know if I could ever go without watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar high.
Filling up gas?
Yeah.
How you liking that?
Okay.
What you
I
doing?
don't know my zip code, so
Should probably not pay through your zip code. Oh, did you get right?
Yep.
Well, Gasorino. Is this what you were trying to call me for?
Here, man.
You were trying to call me for with no reception?
Yeah, I was making sure you're going to the gas.
Oh, I always knew about it.
Fucking 214 out here, man. That's crazy.
Man, shit.
Oh, here in the booties.
Out here in the sticks.
I got a dog now.
Yeah, what's its name?
Chloe.
Chloe. What's up, Chloe?
She's
Chloe.
nice.
Got the boat. She needs to be washed, man. Washed and buffed. But the boat's alive. Got the bed in here. Know who it is. Right now it's all full of camping gear, but we out here. Posted up. They're biking off.